Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
So today we will see how we can buy some of services for LinkedIn profile, and that is from our best SMM panel. For that you need to go to your bestsmm.com and log in it with email and password. As you can see, I have already logged in it with my email and password. Now it is showing me this panel, and that is I am going to my new order section. On my new order section, it will show this category, services, description, everything. So we will add our category, that is LinkedIn. Before that, I want to say that you all needs to add your funds over there, and that is in this add fund section. Before adding balance, you can't buy any of services from this plan. So how you can add your funds? You just need to click this add fund section and you will get these methods. They are providing us lots of way to add your funds, and that is Bikash, Rocket, Nogos, credit card, debit card, Visa, Mastercard, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Payoneer, Indian debit card, Paytm, Bikash manual payment, AirTM, Cashmal, promo code system. You can see they have lots of methods, and you just need to add your methods and you just add your funds over there. If you missed our previous video, then go to our BDIT domain YouTube channel. You will get this add funds video also, and also you will get lots of tips, tricks for digital marketing. Also you will get free course like digital marketing free course, automation testing free course, and Canva tutorial free course on our BDIT domain YouTube channel. So do not miss our videos and do not skip our any of videos. Watch full videos and learn all the tips and tricks, and that is full free. So now I am going to our new order section, and from here I will add my category. And we all know that today our topic is LinkedIn. So we will add our category as LinkedIn, right? So let me click on category section, and then it will show us lots of categories. So I will add my LinkedIn category over there. After adding this category, they will show us services. So let
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification, click the bell icon.